How to log in to Equity Bank online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log in to Equity Bank online, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.equitybank.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Equity Bank. Here on the top right, you will see the login button. Tap on that. You can choose to either log in for personal banking or for business banking. Tap on the option that is best suited for you. I will choose personal banking here. In the interface that you will be led to, enter your login credentials, that is your login ID and your password. If you want the device to remember your login credentials, then select the Remember Me checkbox and now tap on the login button. Also, just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the Forgot Password option and recover your password, and this is how you can log in to Equity Bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.